Hey there, business leaders. Today, I'm diving into something that's the backbone of every successful organization: strategic planning and organizational development. These aren't just buzzwords. They're your roadmap to sustainable growth and success. First, let's talk strategic planning. Think of it as setting your GPS for your business journey. You wouldn't start a road trip without knowing your destination, right? The same goes for your business. A solid strategic plan helps you identify where you want to go and how you're going to get there. It involves setting clear, measurable goals, analyzing your competitive landscape, and making informed decisions based on data. But here's the kicker. A plan is only as good as its execution. This is where organizational development comes into play. It's all about optimizing your internal processes and people to align with your strategic goals. Think of it as tuning up your car to ensure it runs smoothly on that long journey. This involves enhancing your leadership, improving communication channels, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. One key aspect of organizational development is talent management. Great strategies need great people to execute them. Invest in your team's development, provide ongoing training, and create an environment where innovation can thrive. Remember, your people are your most valuable asset. Another critical element is change management. In today's fast-paced business world, change is inevitable. How your organization handles change can make or break your success. Develop a robust change management plan to ensure smooth transitions and minimize disruptions. So, how do you bring it all together? Regularly review and adjust your strategic plan based on performance metrics and market changes. Keep your team engaged and aligned with your vision. And foster a culture that embraces change and innovation. In some direction, and organizational development ensures you have the right capabilities to get there. Together, they form the foundation of a thriving business. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to visit kunalmukherjee.in.